What is an animal? A question as simple as it is complex. Dive into the depths of biology, and one finds the answer not so straightforward. Yet, the essence of understanding animals lies in acknowledging a few key characteristics that set them apart. Animals, in the broadest sense, are multicellular organisms. This means that they are composed of multiple cells, each carrying out specialized functions. It's like a symphony orchestra. Each musician plays a different instrument, contributing to the overall melody. In the same vein, each cell in an animal's body has a unique role, creating the harmonious functioning of the organism. But being multicellular isn't enough to define an animal. Plants, fungi, and certain types of algae are multicellular too. So what differentiates animals? The answer lies in the cells themselves. Animals are eukaryotic, meaning their cells have a nucleus enclosed within membranes. This nucleus is like the brain of the cell, holding the vital DNA, the blueprint of life. Animals, with a few exceptions, consume organic material. They are the consumers in the grand cycle of life, relying on other organisms for food. Unlike plants that harness the sun's energy to make food, animals must eat to survive. From the smallest ant to the largest elephant, animals are a part of this intricate web of consumption. Breathing oxygen is another characteristic that defines animals. Oxygen is the spark plug of life, fueling the metabolic processes that keep animals alive. Whether it's a fish extracting oxygen from water or a bird soaring high in the sky, the intake of oxygen is a constant. What about movement? Yes, animals move. They have myocytes, or muscle cells. These special cells contract and relax, enabling movement. Whether it's the graceful gallop of a horse or the coordinated crawl of a caterpillar, movement is a defining trait of animals. Reproduction is another hallmark of animals. They reproduce sexually, involving two parents and the combination of their genetic material. This process results in offspring that are genetically different from their parents, promoting diversity within species. Embryonic development in animals starts from a hollow sphere of cells, known as the blastula. This early stage of development is crucial, setting the groundwork for the formation of the animal's body. Lastly, animals all form a single clade, a group of organisms descended from a common ancestor. This shared ancestry ties all animals together, from the tiniest insect to the largest whale. So what is an animal? An animal is a multicellular, eukaryotic organism consuming organic material, breathing oxygen, capable of movement, reproducing sexually, and developing from a blastula. This, in essence, is what makes an animal, a symphony of cells, each playing their parts to the rhythm of life.